Hello everyone, and welcome to my first video on this channel. And for my first video I have my brother with me, Golden.
Why do we?
Yes, and I'm Silver. I'm Silver Dawn. You just call me Silver, okay?
Okay, Silver.
Yes.
And I'm Golden Dawn.
No. Okay, whatever. Let's play the game now. You're gonna help me make a cat, okay? We're gonna be in ThunderClan. Okay, what color? What color, Golden?
Blue.
Blue. What color eyes?
Green.
Green. The light green or the dark green?
Dark green.
Dark green. What do you think the name should be?
Thunderstorm.
Okay. It's gonna be Thunder Kid at first, I think. I don't know. Should it be a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Boy. So, look, this is the game. This is the game. Hold on. I'm gonna read it to you.
Wait, hey! Jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Okay. Shinefur. Oh, look! Thunder Kid is awake. Come over here, Thunder Kid. You can use the arrow keys to move. Try moving towards Shinefur. Golden, do you think you can move to Shinefur with these keys?
These? Which one? This one?
No. We gotta go like
This?
there. Shinefur. Good job. You're walking very well, and I'm sure you'll make a fine apprentice in time. But what's that? You don't know where you are? Oh, little one, you're in ThunderClan's nursery, tucked away safely in the forest. ThunderClan will need good kits like you in the future. But enough talk from me. Why don't you go play with Tree Kit? You can talk to other cats in your clan with control. Press enter. Gotta move down to Tree Kit. Hi,
Why is Tree Kit brown?
Because he is. Hello, my name is Tree Kit. I want to be a big warrior like Shinefur when I grow up. I've heard the elders talk about their days as warriors. It sounds exciting. Battles, hunting, exploring, and leaving the camp. We can't leave the camp yet because we're kits and they won't let us. I've tried. They say it's because of a lot of reasons. Do you like monsters on Thunderpath north of here? Shadow spies, scary rivers? Maybe I don't want to be a warrior anymore. Oh, my stomach hurts. I don't feel so good. Can you tell Shinefur from me? Let's go tell Shinefur that Tree Kid is feeling not well. What's that? Tree Kit isn't feeling well? I'm sure that Cloudleaf has sent her for his upset stomach. Why don't you go talk to her? You can find her over by our house underneath the big rock. Wrong one. This one. It's this one.
That's Grace.
Cloudleaf. Oh, hello, little one. I'm Cloudleaf, the medicine cat of ThunderClan. You see this cave behind me? It's my house. Every time I say house, I'm going to say den. And that large rock behind is built into our leader Skystar, who speeches to the clan. We must be here for a reason. Oh, your friend Tree Kit has an upset stomach? Here, I'll give you some herbs to take him. See that leaf over the pond? That's a leaf of the chevrolet plant, which will help your friend. You can press enter while on an item to pick it up.
Let me see. Where's enter?
That one.
This one?
Yeah. You're gonna move over here and press it again to pick it up. Good job. Let's give it to Tree Kit. Tree Kit. Oh, thanks a billion. This chevrolet should help. Now you just have to give it to me. Drop the chevrolet leaf near Tree Kit. You can drop an object by clicking the drop button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Press enter.
But who's me?
You're Thunder Kit.
You're Thunder Kid.
Yeah. click.
The blue one is Fun Kit.
Yeah, click this button here while it's on. Click it. There. Ew, it tastes nasty. But my stomach isn't hurting anymore. Thanks a ton. I bet Shineful will want to hear how helpful you've been. Shinefur. Oh, he's feeling better now? Excellent. Thank you. You've been a big help, but you look hungry. Here, I've got a mouse I hunted yesterday. You should eat it. Do you see the bar on the right side of the screen labeled hunger? That tells you how hungry your cat is. If he gets too hungry, he'll start to lose health. To lower the red bar's hunger level, just pick up the dead mouse with enter, then press the eat button in the corner of your screen, lower right hand corner of your screen. Okay. We got the mouse over here. Pick it up. Walden, do you want to press the eat button? Press the right button right there.
Right here.
No, here. Okay, now. Here.
How did he eat?
You gotta eat it. Okay, there. Good work. Do you see how the red bar on the gray it says now back to gray? That means you aren't hungry at all. Thirst works the same way as hunger, but its meter goes up faster than hunger. However, water is abundant throughout the forest. Drink, press and hold enter in the shallow water. Go try it. So we're thirsty now because you see the blue thing? Excellent work. By now you've also noticed all this
Where's she first? Where's the blue thing?
It was there, but he drank. Perhaps you should speak to Skystar to learn more about reputation. This is Skystar, right?
The blue one?
No, we're the blue one. Oh, hello there, little kit. I am Skystar, leader of ThunderClan. You look like you've become a fine warrior someday. What's that? You want to know about reputation? Oh, yes, I'll tell you about that.
I don't want to be the golden one.
What?
I want to know. I can't see what his eyes look like.
His eyes are green. Oh, yes, I'll tell you about that. Do you see that icon on the right side of the screen just below your thirst meter? It has a little cat head and an H next to it. Well, that's how much reputation you have with ThunderClan. Reputation is necessary to your survival. If that ever drops below 0, we'll kick you out and you'll become a rogue.
What just happened?
It got brighter.
No. Why did it get brighter?
Because, see the clock there? It's going up. And you don't want that to happen, but you can use reputation for plenty of useful things. You can purchase food from the fresh kill pile, for instance, or acquire bonus points, which can unlock new content. But I need to get going. There's a raid over at Sunning Rocks that I need to be at. It's getting dark, Jack! Did we die? Oh, no. 6 moons have passed since you were a kid. You've become an apprentice under the teachings of your mentor, Greystorm. Where exactly are you? You're on Sandy Hall, a little pit just southwest of the ThunderClan camp.
Why did it turn dark?
I think it's... Oops. Well, Thunderpaw, you look like you're ready for a challenge or two. Today I'm going to teach you how to hunt and how to fight. We'll begin with hunting lessons.
Why did they change?
Because... Oops. I saw press... Oh, nice. I want to hunt it.
That mouse is away.
What do I need to do?
Where's the mouse? Right there, there's the mouse.
Oh, I caught it. I got it. Here we are. Excellent hunting. Now bring that carcass to me. Can I eat it? No. You drop it. Press the drop. This one? Yeah. Good job. Good work. But remember that it is always your duty to bring fresh kill to the camp. Eating out wild is a lot.
Why is it green right there? Why is it green?
I think that's our hope. Now, where were we? Ah, yes. Combat training is next. I brought a friend to help us. Go to the other side of the field and we'll begin. Press spacebar to use your claws.
It's getting later.
Yeah, try to beat the other cat. Also, watch your health bar, which is in the upper right corner of the screen. You can't die in this fight, but it's good to know where to find your health bar in the event of a real battle. There's a guy coming at us. Do you want to fight? Oh, that didn't last very long. I hope you are ready to take on the world by yourself. You're about to become a warrior, and you'll be on your own to explore the world, hunt, fight, earn reputation, and more. Strap on your seatbelt and get ready, but above all else, enjoy. Hold on. What?
What the?
Type a second name for your cat, such as the fur, in spotted fur, or the claw, as in night claw. What was the thing that you wanted to do?
I want it to be a thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. Okay. There, we're thunderstorm now. Okay.
This
What do you
looks different.
Yeah, it does, because we're an older cat. What do you want to do now?
I want to
Lots of cats over here.
let's go back over there. Okay, let's go in the tower.
The tower?
Yeah.
I don't think.
Yeah,
Can we
let's
go
go
there?
inside. Yeah.
It's like it's the leader's den, is what Cloudleaf said, so we can't go inside.
Oh, but what about this one?
That's a pool of water.
Let's swim.
We can't swim because we're not River Clan.
And why is there a river?
It's a pond for us to drink, I think. You want to talk to some cats?
Yes, let's talk to Golden.
You mean Shinefur?
Yeah, sure.
The strangest thing happened yesterday while I was out hunting for a fresh kill. I was out hunting for fresh kill when I found a very shiny gem in a golden ring on the ground near the thunder path. My mouth was full at the time, so I went off to put the prey I'd caught in the pile. When I returned, the shiny object was gone. There must be more of them. Perhaps a careless two-leg dropped one near the thunder path. I think the kids would love one of those if you could find one. Reward, +4 reputation. So we have to find a shiny thing. We have to find a shiny thing now. Where are these cats? Do you want to talk to them?
Yes, let's
Talk to Roseheart.
No, I want to talk to this cat.
Dragon
first.
Soul?
Yeah.
If anything interesting happens, I'll let you know. Okay, I don't think they have much to say. Where's... This is the Thunder Path, I think. Ah!
So many cats. Why are there so many cats?
Because some of them are gonna get crushed. Oh no!
What?
Like half of them just died! We got hit by a car, but we didn't die. That was interesting.
Everybody died.
Almost everybody died. Oh my gosh. We're looking for a shiny thing, and Shine first said to look near the thunder path. Oh no, it's a dog.
Hey, go in the tunnel.
Okay.
Where is it?
I don't think we can go in there,
Why?
because it won't let me go in there. It's another guy. Let's go back this way and see if there's any of them this way.
Hey, see cat.
Yeah,
I think I just saw a cat.
Do you think we have to stay on ThunderClan territory because we're a ThunderClan cat? Yeah.
Then where is the golden Chinese?
I don't think there are any. But I think that we should end the video now.
Why?
So, battle! So, yeah. Couldn't find a shiny thing. But I hope you enjoyed this first video with my brother Golden and me.
Hey,
And,
why is it turning red?
and like and subscribe. and bye.